High adventure is inspirational. Being first to summit a mountain or visit the deepest point in the world's oceans involves solving novel problems while taking great risks. But then these experiences get sold to clients of commercial expeditions. Some of those people die, having paid hundreds of thousands of dollars for the trip. Is it vanity, recklessness, boredom, too many motivational posters in the conference room? How do bad ideas survive what should be extinction events? Comparisons have been made between visiting the wreck of the Titanic and being guided to the summit of Mount Everest. A comparable disaster occurred in 1996 when the mountaineering tourism company Adventure Consultants brought a group of well-heeled amateur mountaineers to Mount Everest to attempt the summit. Adventure Consultants led the first commercial expedition to summit Mount Everest. They took 6 clients to the summit in 1992. 8 people died in the 1996 disaster, among them one of the founders of Adventure Consultants. Obviously, that didn't end tourism to the summit of Mount Everest. It didn't even end the company. Both the disaster on Everest and the Titanic had journalists at or near the events. 3 dives before the Titan imploded, David Pogue was on board for a news report for CBS News. John Krakauer was on the 1996 Everest expedition on assignment from Outside Magazine. These journalists have communicated both facts about their experiences and complicated emotions. But the best take on risky adventure tourism I have seen comes from William Shatner. Shatner, at age 90, went on a suborbital ride to space on the Blue Origin rocket. The result isn't going to sell a lot of motivational posters. This is what he wrote for an article published in Variety. When I looked in the opposite direction, into space, there was no mystery, no majestic awe to behold. All I saw was death. I saw a cold, dark, black emptiness. It was unlike any blackness you can see or feel on Earth. It was deep, enveloping, all-encompassing. Everything I had thought was wrong. Everything I had expected to see was wrong. Fortunately, nobody died for us to gain this insight. Despite these wise words, bad ideas will continue to claim victims for as long as I can foresee.